passenger side. Pull the lever. To release the bonnet catch on these DS's, a little bit different. Pull it up. I'm going to try and do it one-handed while holding the camera with the other. Put your hands, the catcher aft is down a little bit, so you put your hands in and you'll feel to the side of where the engine bonnet holder is. Go to the right of that and you'll feel a little plastic lever. You have to fiddle about with it, and it's basically where my finger is, next to my thumb. You just pull it to the left, or push it to the left. I'll try and hold it up so you can see. Like that. And that releases it from that bit. And get your bonnet catch. Put it in place. I'm going to remove the side light this time. Again, I'm going to go for the hardest side, which on the DS3s is the right hand side as you look at it, or the passenger side if you're right hand drive, driver's side if you're left hand drive, because there's not much room here, whereas over on the other side there's quite a bit of room, and it's in this, behind this cover, which is the high beam bulb. And if I can just change things around while I get to show you. So there's your high beam. And if you see, if I can get my finger to point, that's your high beam bulb. Just next to it, follow these wires, side light bulb. Just there, and you just pull it back, and it's just a little wedge bulb. So to get that bulb out, you just pull it out. I'm not going to touch it because there's nothing wrong with it. And that's all it is. You can press the plastic connectors, makes it a little bit easier. But on most DS3s now, they'll be so worn, they'll just pull out dead easy. And to replace, just basically find the hole, locate it, push it, usually clicks, there you go, and that's it, just there. Side light bulb, a Citroen DS3, so it's easy on the other side, not much room this side. Thanks for watching, catch you again later, and don't forget to put the rubber weatherproof cover back on.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.